and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be following another trend that has been going around on YouTube for quite a bit now, and that is copying someone else's Instagram. It could be a YouTuber or a celebrity or really anyone. I decided to copy Katrina Kaif's Instagram, and the reason was that she takes a lot of selfies and most of her pictures are really easy to recreate as compared to other celebrities. If you guys want me to copy someone else's Instagram, do let me know in the comments down below. I know a lot of you would want me to recreate Alia Bhatt's Instagram because I get so many comments saying that I look a lot like her. So that would be really interesting trying to recreate her pictures. Let's just jump right into the video. So I'm going to start off by showing you a picture that I'm actually quite proud of, and I think it looks quite similar to hers. Of course, you guys be the judges in the comments down below. So I think this is like a selfie that she took when she woke up in the morning, and I thought it was quite easy to recreate. Little did I know it was going to be so difficult. So I started off by setting up a very similar bedding as compared to hers. It was all white except that she had one yellow cushion, which I did not have. So I just decided to go with an all white theme and just shoot in that. And while editing the picture, I would just change the color of the pillow. Okay, so this is what the picture looked like after I clicked it in like its raw settings. And I moved on to editing the picture. Now I started off by editing it on PicMonkey.com, but it didn't go quite well. So a friend of mine really kindly helped me edit this picture. I think he edited it on Photoshop. And it would be really nice of you guys to go and follow him on Instagram. His handle's name is Not a Complan Boy and his name is Shantanu. So he helped me edit almost every single picture that I'm about to show you, and he's so talented, so go and follow him. So this is what her Instagram picture looks like, and this is what my recreation looks like. Next picture that I recreated is a very fancy picture that she posted on her Instagram, obviously, but I believe it was for her FBB fashion campaign. So she's wearing these dark blue jeans, a black top and heels, and she's doing this really complicated pose in the air, which I thought would be very easy to recreate. Little did I know that it was going to be quite a task. So in order to recreate this picture, I got this white bed sheet and I used that kind of like to create that professional setting, and I just lied down and I did what I had to do. So this is what the raw picture looks like. Can we zoom into the forehead and see the veins that are popping out of my head? I know it looks so scary. Don't worry, I blurred it out in the final picture. But anyway, coming back to this picture, the background of her picture was grayish. So again, Shantanu helped me change the color of the background, change the color of the heels as well. And yeah, this is what the final picture looks like side by side. Do let me know what you guys think about this picture. Now, I did not post this picture on my Instagram because I have a feed to maintain and the grey background just doesn't go with my theme. So yeah, I just skipped on uploading this picture. Moving on to picture number 3. In the third picture, she's wearing this really cute unicorn neck pillow, and I thought I could recreate something similar with what I had. So in the picture, she's actually wearing a unicorn neck pillow. I don't have one, so I just took my onesie and kind of wore it like a cap, I guess, and I'm gonna try to recreate this picture. So yeah, I worked with what I had, and this is what the final picture looks like. According to me, it's an okay picture. It doesn't really look similar to hers, which is the whole point of this video and defeats the entire purpose. But while shooting for this picture, I realized that how angles like matter so much. Just because a particular angle looks good on her doesn't mean it's gonna look good on me. So yeah, I didn't really like the way I looked in this picture, which is why I didn't post this one, but I did click another picture with an angle that looks good on me, and I posted this picture on my Instagram. So yeah, that just showed me how much angles make a difference. Okay, picture number 4. This one is like a very sexy, glamorous shot that she took. I think in like 44 degrees or something like that. and I tried to recreate it. I curled my hair and made it look as similar to hers as possible. Didn't quite work really, but I tried to spray some water on my collarbone and my face and all of that, but it didn't quite show up in the picture. There's not much I can talk about this particular shot, so I'm just gonna show you side by side what the two pictures look like. This is what her picture looks like, so cool. And yeah, this is what mine looks like. Didn't post this one either because I didn't want to make a fool out of myself, so yeah. And moving on to the final picture, picture number 5, which is one of my favorite recreations. So she's wearing this really beautiful bodysuit and she's standing behind a red background and clicking a selfie. If you guys watched my previous video, you would have seen me buying the bodysuit, the very similar bodysuit from Zaful.com, and that was for this video. So I've put the dress on and this is from Zaful.com. It's actually a bodysuit slash swimwear, and it looks exactly like the one that she's wearing in the picture. Now, in order to make the red background behind, I bought some chart paper and I'm going to stick it here, right here behind me, and I'm going to take a selfie or pretend to take a selfie right here. So yeah, that's how I clicked the picture. This is what the raw image looks like, unedited. As you can see, a part of the picture isn't red. So again, Shantanu helped me with the editing of the background because I don't know how to do that. And yeah, this is what the final images look like side by side. I'm really happy with the way this picture looks like. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I'm just not good at recreating is what I've learned in this video. But still, if you guys want me to recreate or copy someone else's Instagram, do let me know. And also follow me on my Instagram. This is what my feed looks like. I work really hard on editing the pictures, so I think you guys should follow me there. And I also have a lot of BTS of these videos. So yeah, follow me on my Instagram. I think that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, we're so close to 50k, so if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and click on the little bell because every time I post a new video, you'll be notified. Follow me on my social medias and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!